Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another video. For those of you that are brand new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Please just push that button, just push it. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So let's get into what we have for this video. It's heavy. I have no idea what's in here, but it's heavy. So I'm really excited to see what the heck we have in here. This is the Boxycharm Premium Box for the month of June. And I'm gonna set it down because it's heavy. For those of you that don't know about this box, this one is $35 a month. You get 6 to 7 full-size items, and the box value is said to be, I believe, at least $175. So for $35 that you pay, that's not bad. So let's get in because I really can't wait to see what we have in here. And we have a ton of stuff. This is the little paper that they give us all the time. So this one says the Oasis, just like the one for the Boxy Luxe. And I want to say that the items in here are supposed to be for like, you know, like a home spa kind of thing, you know, just to add items to your collection at home so you can relax and you can, you know, have your own oasis. Of course, like always, in the back we have product information along with full-size prices or MSRP prices. So let's just go in, and I don't even know what I want to start with. I'm gonna start with this one here. It is from Battington. So it's a brush set. We get, I think, well, it's a set. No, set means two. So we get 2 brushes, and let's see what, ooh, those are pretty. So these are the 2 ones. This one's like funny looking. I don't know why, it just looks funny. It looks like it has a big head, or like, I don't know, it just looks funny compared to this one. But these are the 2 that we get, and back here it says it is a powder brush, and I'm assuming it's this one. So it says this one is to be used with loose and pressed powder, perfect application of bronzer, blush, and finishing powder. And then I think this one's going to be the contour foundation brush. So it evenly distributes product and foundation into skin, great for contouring and blending. So this is our first item, a set of brushes. I really like them. They feel super duper soft. And like I always say, you can never have too many brushes, which I think my boyfriend kind of thinks, yeah, you can't have too many brushes because they are already taking over my vanity. I have like 3 things, or like, actually no, I have, I think 4. I have one little, I don't even know what they're called, a container or thing with all my eyeshadow brushes, and then I have 3 for all the other brushes, and they already don't fit. So I have no idea where I'm gonna put these. I'm gonna have to buy more like little containers so I can keep storing them. Up next, I'm gonna go for this one. Oh, this one I think is the one that I chose. When you are a premium member, you get to you get to choose one item. They give you options of like, well, it kind of depends on the month and the box, but they give you options, and then you choose what you want them to put in your box for sure. Like you want to lock in an item, and I think this is the one that I chose. It's from Zoeva. I think this is like an up and coming brand. This is Eyeshadow Fix in Pearl Longwear. Originally, I thought this was like a eyeshadow base, but now I'm actually thinking that this is like an actual eyeshadow because it's really light, but it has like a pearlish yellowish tint. So I don't think, you know, that's like a base. Or actually, you know what? On here it says liquid eyeshadow primer. So I don't know because it does have a tint to it. So I don't know how that will kind of, you know, change the color of your other eyeshadows. I don't know. So I'm going to go for this one. Ooh. So we have something from Glow Recipe, and I think this is one of the items in here that was like adding a lot of weight to it, because if you guys haven't seen their packaging, it's like full, like thick glass. So this one here is Glow Recipe. This is avocado melt retinol sleeping mask. So this one's moisturizing and firming. So they just recently came out with the avocado line. And right here we have the sleeping mask. So this is what the inner, like, or the packaging looks like. This is like really thick glass. It doesn't really smell a lot like anything. But their packaging is really, really pretty. I think this is really, really cute. It is the avocado line, so that's why they have like the pastel kind of green. So I'm really liking this one. Up next, I'm gonna go for this one, and which is another thing that added some of the weight to the box. This is from Skin & Co. Roma. This is the Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel. This is from the Italian collection. And you know what? The funny thing is that my skin is really sensitive to a lot of things. And one of those things is like the perfume, or when things are scented, it messes with my skin. Instead of, helping to hydrate and cleanse and, all those good things, it actually dries my skin out, and it's really uncomfortable sometimes. This shower gel, though, not this one specifically, but the Skin & Co. shower gel line kind of thing, is one of the ones that does not irritate my skin. So I'm super excited that we got this one. And this is like the scent in this, it says it has notes of Sardinian myrtle, I don't know what that is, lemongrass, and wild orange. Ooh, that smells really relaxing. I love the scent of lemongrass, and then this is mixed in with the wild orange. The Sardinian mitro or mitro, I have no idea what that is, but it smells so good. I can't wait to use this one in the shower. I really like the scent of that one. Up next, I'm gonna go for this one, and again, this is pretty heavy. We have something from Too Faced. It's the coconut contour.
Coconut?
What did I say? Did I say coconut? It's not cocoa. Cocoa contour. And I love their packaging. And if this smells like the cocoa, now it sounds wrong.
Because the chocolate is cacao, but that one's cocoa.
Cocoa. If it smells like cocoa, then I'm gonna. Ooh. Oh, wait. Is it the one that I'm thinking? I don't know if it's the one that I'm thinking, but if it's the one that I'm thinking, I really love the I think it is. A long time ago, I got a sample contour, and I want to say like a play box from like a long time ago, and that contour, I literally used it until the pan had no more. And I think it was a bronzer. It wasn't a or whatever. It was one of those. I literally used it until the pan had zero powder left in it, and I think it's one of these. So this is obviously the palette with different shades, but I think the one that I really liked is in here. And obviously this is a contour palette, so you do use, different shades when you're doing your makeup. But this is what we have. It smells like chocolate. This is what we have. We have 6 different shades. We have light highlight. So they go this way. So light highlight, medium highlight, deep highlight. So all of the bottom colors are highlight, just different for different points of your face. And then all the ones across are the different contour shades. So we have the light, medium, and deep contour. So this is a pretty, has like a wide range of tones. It smells so good. It smells like chocolate. But yeah, I think the one that I used is one of these shades. I just can't remember which shade it was, but I loved it. I love the way that it went on my skin, and that's the reason why I used it until it was like totally gone. What I like about Too Faced is that they always include a little pamphlet or a little booklet, or a little something to kind of guide you on how to use their product. So this one here, it gives you different, it uses girls with different skin tones, and then depending on which one you are closer to, it tells you what colors to use and where. So like for example, I think I would be closer to her, and here it's like written out what colors, where, and everything. They give you a picture, more like a map of where to put stuff, and obviously once it's blended out, it's supposed to look like her. So that's one of the things that I really like about their products, is that if you are a total beginner, they give you some type of guidance. So that is another product from our box. And then I'm seeing something really big in here that I have no idea what it is. So it is from Grace and Stella, and this is another reason why it was so heavy. What is this? So this is from Grace and Stella. It says it's like an energy drink for your face, and it says anti-wrinkle and energizing face masks. How many do we get? So let me open it up. Like, I don't even know how to open this and see what's in here. I've never seen face mask packaged like this before. Oh, damn, how many do we get? 2, 4, 6. We have 6 face masks in here, and look at this. So, oh, these are the funny looking ones. So this is what it looks like. This is what the actual mask looks like. It looks like it's like a thick, like gel rubberish kind of thing. And I always think that when you put these on, they make it look like a robot or like a mannequin, because it's just, I don't know. That's what it looks like. But these are packaged like full on, like flat mask. That's why the box is huge, and you get 6. You get 6 of these. These are huge. Okay, so that was the last item from the box. I really can't wait to see the total box value, because I think we have a lot of really cool items. So, Cindy, so the first item, the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. MSRP is $49. Wow. Then we have the Too Faced Cocoa Contour. There you go, Cocoa. Now it sounds right. Contour Palette. MSRP is $44. Then we have this Zoeva Eyeshadow Fix in Pearl. This one is $12. Then we have the box of the Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle Plus Energizing Face Mask, and it's a 6-pack. This one, MSRP is $25. Well, it's actually not bad. The way that it's packaged, it gives it more of a luxury feel than if they were packaged in a simple, plain little, like a plastic container. That comes to show you how packaging sells the product, I don't know. Then, oh my God, no way. There is no way. No. These Baddington Beauty powder and contour brush set, this is not $90. 90. No. Where? I'm going to search this. And I'll put it right here if it's true or not. And if they do sell them for $90, I'll put a website or wherever I saw that, because I cannot believe that these are $90. You're telling me that each brush is worth $45? No. And it doesn't even tell you what they're made of. Like, what are the bristles made of? Are they like, why are they so special? Are they made out of gold? Because I don't think so. But the very last item, it is the Skin & Co. Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel. And this one, MSRP is $22. So according to Cindy, this box is worth $242. Keep in mind, these were $90. I don't know about that one. But those were all the items from the box. Let me know what you guys think about the box. Who has seen these sold for $90? Tell me. I want to know. But I am super duper excited and happy with the items that we got. I think we got some really good items. All items that I can use. And I see where they're going with the Oasis kind of theme. So that is all for me for today. I'm going to start talking because I really can't believe those are $90. But that is all for me for today. I will be back really soon with another video. And I hope I will see all of you guys back here next time. Bye.